Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2010 Mercedes C-Class. So from any screen, you've kind of got the menu there. If you push the selector forward, you've got Navi here, which you can select from there. So that's straight onto Navi. But if you, for any reason, you were using the selector, if you push the selector forward, it highlights the top menu across to Navi. Select Navi by pressing the selector in, and then you've got destination at the bottom there, and it's already on destination. So click to select destination, and then you've got address entry from memory from last destinations. So address entry, click address entry, and then you've got town, street, start, map, postcode. So we need to knock the selector back towards us and then turn it to postcode. Click postcode. This is the easiest way to do it. And we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, PR. It's already gone to numbers there, which a lot of satellite navigation systems don't do. PR54. There we go. So select PR54. You can narrow it down. It's gone to street here, so click on street. We are Chorley Road, so C. And once we get a few letters in, you see this all changes to narrow down what starts with CHO, and we're onto Chorley Road now. So we can select Chorley Road by just clicking. It's asking me for a number. I'll do the number as well. I don't usually, but we'll put. We haven't got a number here, but I'll put 27. Well, I'll put 27 in. It's obviously not a 270. So click 27, and then it's.
The route is being calculated. Make a U-turn if possible.
We're sat in the forecourt, and it's obviously the postcode is a kind of a square around here, so that's why it's telling me that. But that's it. It's a good system to use, nice and simple.